welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is another Dollar Tree haul with tons of new items. First of all, I want to thank everyone for their prayers, all their comments, their suggestions, and everything about my bladder infection. Let me give you a little bit of an update. I am better, as you can see. I still have the infection, but it's not horrible at this point. They increased my medication, the dosage, and as long as I can tolerate this medicine, I should be all right. But if I sit for too long or bend over or let anything touch my lower abdomen where your bladder is, it really is uncomfortable. But I wanted to show you what I found at Dollar Tree. I thought what I would do this week is just kind of interrupt my normal filming schedule to make it easier on me, and I thought you would enjoy this. And I'm just going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul each day. And I think that will, like I said, help me so I can just film these all. They're really quick, they're really easy. I can film this all in one day and then I can rest the rest of the week. But I wanted to bring you, I missed you all so much, and I really want you to see what I found in case you're able to find these or you're interested in finding these. So this is in no particular order, so let me start with these pictures. I think these have to be my favorite. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Okay, I mean, this looks so high-end. I mean, you would never expect to get this from the Dollar Tree. I love it. It's so pretty. And there it is from the side. I love the flowers and the little container that looks like metal. I love it. Okay, and then here is this one. I about jumped out of my skin when I saw these. Look how pretty. And then they have this one. It's different from this leaf. Look how beautiful that is. You will definitely be seeing these again. That's all I got to say on this one. And then look at this. I love the gold detailing with that bronze background and those cups. They're so pretty. And that could be like sugar cubes, or in the fall and winter, it could be marshmallows. I love it. And for $1, oh. And then I got another one just like that. Okay, my husband just called me to check on me. I thought that was really sweet. Okay, so then let me show you this. I have never seen cross stitch at the Dollar Tree, but they have it. Look at this. Contains the little, the little grid that you cross stitch. It gives you the, my brain is dead. It is antibiotic burnout. The little yarn that you do, or I forget what Mom calls it. Mom does cross stitch. I don't. But anyway, but this is a heart, and I think they had one or two others. A lot of this I've had for quite a while, but I was just going to do it every Wednesday. But I'll still go back to my every Wednesday hauls. But look at this. I just love it. $1. Then I saw these in the checkout line. Look at these flamingos. This is so cute. You could put anything down in there. And the back just has the leaves. I love it. You cannot beat it for $1. And then this just has a single flamingo. So summery. And then the back is like this. So just, I'm beyond myself, okay? Then I found yarn at the Dollar Tree. Who could believe it? It says just yarn, and it's premier yarn. But look at this, and you get 131 yards. So I picked up green. They had a bunch of different colors. I picked up this really pretty orange, and then I picked up this yellow. But aren't these really pretty? I just can't believe it. Dollar Tree is turning into a one-stop shopping area. It's unbelievable. Then I was able to find floating shelves at my Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe it. So I picked up 2. I may put them out there in my utility room or maybe my bathroom. I'm really not sure yet what I'm going to do, but look at these, how nice they are. They are 8.6 by 4.0 and they hold 5 pounds. I just love these. You could paint them, you could leave them like this, whatever you wanted. And then I found this. It's called Smash. It's called Smash. You get 10 pieces. It was with the planner, so I thought that's what it was for, but I don't know. It says you just put it in and smash it. And there's different designs. I'll open this. And we can see what all designs that it actually has. I always open from the wrong end. I'm a mess. Okay, here we go. Okay, it has this really pretty design. You get 2 of these. Oh, look at this. You get 2 of the maps. They look like maps. I think these are very pretty. Then you get 2 that look like this green stripe. That is nice. Looks like you get 2 of each. And you just, I guess you kind of open them and then you kind of smash them. I really don't know. Oh, well, look at this. 2 of they have like dice on them. Look how pretty that is. And then 2 like this. I just think these are cute. And thank everyone for letting me know what those discs were for. And I'll try to figure out what these are for. If you know, comment down below and let me know about these too. But it says that you can go to smashstoriesblog.com and I guess and see what you do with them. Okay, then I found something else for a planner. Look at this. It's all the important and to-dos, and it says mix and match to make the perfect planner. And it goes with those other accessories that I was showing you. It's just like the Happy Planner. It's the dupe for it. I love that. And then I saw this and I thought, plastic rubbing plates. And you get 2. You get the one that kind of looks like fish scales. And then you get this one that looks like zigzag. And it says you just lay a sheet of paper on top of the rubbing plate and rub with side of crayon or pencil and it will leave that design on there. So I thought that was very unusual, okay? And then I found this, and they had several of these to choose from, these little shimmer bracelets, and it's as seen on TV. So I thought, I don't think I've ever seen anything as seen on TV in my Dollar Tree, but they had different colors, but I picked this one up. I think it's really cute. And then I found some more washi, and I was so excited. I found the sloth washi. Can you believe it? I'm so excited because I had the sloth stickers, and then one of you told me that you found the sloth washi, and I was like, oh, I wish I could find it. I found it, okay? And then this one is just with dogs and cats on it. I think it's really pretty. So cute. Then this just has like little rubber ducks on it. But you never know, you know, if you don't get it, you won't see it again. I haven't seen any of those 3 before in my Dollar Tree. And I don't think I've seen this one with just like the chevron design before. But I love that with like the different colors of blues with a little bit of a gray mixed in. Then I found some more stickers. Another llama bunch of stickers. Look how cute. No problema, like the other one said. Llama, need no drama. That's me right now. I need no drama, okay? And then all this, I just think this is so pretty. So they have 2 different types of llama stickers. Then I went back and found some more rub-on transfers. Look at these. These are so cute. And these have the 2 smaller A's and the smaller O's. I just think those are cute. And then I got another package of this because you never know what all you may want to do with this, okay? Then I saw these rub-on transfers like this. This has like the teacups, the flowers, the birds, more teacups, these little hearts, and more flowers, a butterfly, and a scroll. Look at that. And this is a package. I think these are so shabby chic, and they're very, they would be French country, definitely. And you could even incorporate this in farmhouse. I love it. Then I saw these stickers like this, kind of like the different variations of black, white, and gray. And I thought those were really cute. Then I got another bunch of these because I'm stocking up. Well, I can find it. I've learned my lesson. Then I thought these blue stickers were really pretty. They kind of look like, I don't know if you can really see that detail. It almost looks like they're almost like they pop out, but they don't. They look almost like wood, but they're blue. And then with the holidays coming up, I got a set of the green stickers. And there's 370 in this. And then I got a set of the red. Got to be prepared. And then I got a set of the black. And then while I was in there, I found books that look very interesting. This is Murder with a Cherry on top. I tell you, I love to read books, and I was thinking this sounds very interesting. And this doesn't say how much this originally was. Some of my other books do. But this is by Cynthia Baxter. And it's like a murder mystery. Decadent, deadly, and delightful. Murder with a Cherry on Top is a charmer of a cozy mystery. A delicious read that left me hungry for more. So I don't know if it's kind of like those Hallmark movies that starts off like maybe in an ice cream shop or a bakery, and then they have to solve a murder. That's what I'm hoping that I found. So I picked this up. Then my husband saw this, The Biggest Loser. Can you believe this? And this was originally $21.95, and I found it in the Dollar Tree. This is like their 8-week Get Real, Get Results weight loss program. And it talks about, you know, different people and what they've done. And then it gives you tips. And then look at all these exercises that it has in it. I just think this is really good. Your meal plan to get your diet right. Today's the day, goal setting, week 1 meals, and it even has your meals. I just think this is chocked full, and I found it for $1. You gotta love the Dollar Tree, okay? And then he found this one, Muscle Fitness, 101 strength training workouts and strategies. And this one was originally $14.95 here in the US, $1. And this shows all kinds of like different kind of strength training that you can do with weights. And it gives you like 1 rep max calculator, bench press chain program. I mean, all kinds, squats, everything. Dollar Tree is just beyond killing it. I don't know what else to say. It's just totally blown my mind. I'm so excited. I hope you all enjoy all this week of Dollar Tree hauls. I know I am totally blown away with everything they have. They have totally stepped up their game. It is really like I said earlier, like a one-stop shop that you can go in and get books. Why pay $14 or $16 if you can do it for $1? I can't believe it. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, hit your notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, bye guys.